Hey everybody, Miranda Ferreira with Century 21 Miller Elite. Kind of giving you a recap of September per the released stats from Amelia Island, Nassau County Association of Realtors. And to real quickly recap what has happened this year. So you've probably already seen the statistics, but for the month of September of 2024, we had 115 closed sales. We saw 121 more listings go under contract for a total number of 176 pending listings. We saw 154 new listings come onto the market, adding or creating a total inventory of 495 listings or 4 months inventory. The inventory is up year over year, almost 50%. And we kind of use this as a gauge to say if we're in a buyer or seller's market. And again, this is just a global of everything east of, say, Wildlight and Tributary. We are starting to see that increase in overall months of inventory is creeping up, which would be a little bit more indicative of getting into a neutral to maybe even a slightly buyer's market, depending on the area that you're looking at. But again, good signs because that means buyers have more choices. Overall active inventory, again, feeds into that, higher than it was, almost 20% better than what it was this time last year. Pending inventory is down overall. Not surprised, it is an election year, and we've had quite a bit of mortgage rate volatility. Combined with that, new listings were about the same as they were last year, but we do have an increase in the number of pending sales for September, which was good. So, and I don't think anybody's surprised that we had a slight decrease, I think roughly 12, 13% of decrease in closed sales. And again, historically speaking, election years, you will see a decrease in market activity. And this is the past 8 to 11 elections. You can see this. And I can talk all day long about the different trends post-elections. So when we look at the overall sales volume of the year, we did peak in March and April, no surprise, and are starting to kind of trend downward. Again, partly seasonal, compounded by the mortgage rate volatility, which is expected to continue here through the rest of the year, and just being an election year. So active listings, again, they've been relatively stable overall for the year. Highest was in February and at 558, and they've remained over 500 up until October. So again, a little bit of a seasonality there, compounded with just the overall nature that we're in, or climate that we're in, economically and politically speaking. So overall sales to actives, we had March and April where we had a higher number of sales to active listings, meaning a little bit more of a seller's market, a lot more activity versus we're getting into lower ratios and expecting to be more of a buyer's market. So, this is not necessarily a bad time. We did see mortgage rates increase again, but, we have some different Fed news. Going into 2025, they are forecasting a little bit more active real estate market and a little bit more favorability as we go into mid to second half of 2025 for those buyers that are hoping to maybe get a little bit of a cut. But remember, right now we are seeing sellers kind of agreeing to negotiate and work with buyers to get homes purchased and sold. So really and truly, it's not necessarily a bad time if it's the right time for you in terms of budget and personal situations. So in any case, that's enough rambling. I hope everyone has a great day. Thanks for watching, and we will talk to you soon.